Yo, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be filming a lifestyle video all shot on an iPhone. I'm gonna be filming my friend Justin right here. There's no excuses for I don't have a DSLR, I don't have an expensive camera. Everything can be shot on an iPhone at 4K, 60 frames per second. We're gonna be filming around my neighborhood. You know, location doesn't matter as long as you have cool camera movement, you can make a cool video anywhere. So let's get started. Justin, I'm gonna have you just walk straight this way so you can turn around. And I'm just gonna get a low shot of his feet walking. And I'm just gonna track the movement as he's walking. And 3, 2, 1, action. Perfect. And 3, 2, 1, action. Look to the side. Perfect. Yee! Okay, so I think some of the harder shots are the moving shots. So when he's walking, it's gonna be a lot harder, but as I have him posed in still positions, it's gonna be a lot easier. So I see this tree right here, so we can probably use this for a nice transition. So put your foot up like this, and you can kind of just like mess with your hands, put your hands in your pocket. And you can kind of like look up this way, like if there's a bird flying by. Okay, Justin, when I say 3, 2, 1, look at the camera, I want you to look at the camera, okay? Okay. 3, 2, 1, look at the camera. Another shot that I like using is as a transition is when they stomp on the camera. So I can't see, so it's kind of hard. 2, 1, and action. Perfect. We'll do it one more time, Justin, but do it a lot quicker. And don't be afraid to step on my camera. 3, 2, 1, action. Perfect. One more time, faster. 3, 2, 1, action. Love that. Right where I'm sitting. I'm gonna sit right here. So you can kind of have like your hands on the bench, kind of like this. Kind of like this, and you can kind of hear that. So just make it up. Yeah, perfect. Stay still, Justin. Okay, so I like this wall of leaves right here. So I can get up. Justin, come over here, and then I want you to put your, as I'm pulling the camera down, I want you to be like kind of like you're fixing your hat. 2, 1, action. Let's do something where you throw the hat, where you're like walking towards the camera and you throw your hat towards my phone. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, action. Do it one more time. So let's do something where you're kind of like at the stop sign, like waiting for your Uber or something like that. So yeah, you can just be like looking around. No, you don't gotta put your tongue out yet. Alright guys, so we got a whole bunch of clips. We're gonna put it all together and then we're gonna make a cool little edit. And yeah, let's go to the editing room.